Best reset the old mile counter. The mileage is the same amount as the time. That's weird. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a little while. Had a pretty exciting weekend actually just gone. Went to British Superbikes Thruxton, which I would highly recommend if you've never been to a bike race or a motorsport event. It's such a good day out. Stopping. Yeah, I'd highly recommend it. It's brilliant. It's still really humid and muggy from the heat wave. It's brutal. So it was British Superbikes Championship. It was absolutely awesome to watch. I've got tons of content coming out on my YouTube Shorts and TikTok, so make sure you keep up with that. My fucking trousers have come undone at the bottom. It's rather annoying. Yeah, have a check out on the shorts, because there's tons of good stuff like flybys and like different stuff. It was really good to see. The noise is just amazing. The atmosphere is good. There's loads of like stalls and stuff set up with bike gear and bike shows and whatever else, like people selling bikes and whatever else, manufacturers. I'd really recommend it. It was a fucking brilliant experience. I rode there with a mate who I think I've got some footage of that. I'm not sure where it's going to go. Might have a little video of its own. Us guys cruising around. He's on a Kawasaki Z125. It's a nice bike, to be honest. It's fucking nice. It sounds really fun and good because it's got a little stubby can on it, which makes life a little bit more fun, I guess, when you're on a 125. I mean, I'm currently going to go and try and do a little bit of exhaust modifications myself, because it's made me want something a little bit louder, because I can't hear my exhaust. All I can hear is the whining of my chain at the moment, and my engine when it gets up there. It was a pretty long ride. It did it all in one run yesterday evening. When it finished, it took me like, I don't even know, 3 hours or so after the race finished at 5:30. It was a little bit of a late evening, but it was nice. It was, you know, it's perfect. Got a little bit cooler towards the drop off at the end of the day, which is good, because it was absolutely meltingly hot. We went out riding on Saturday as well up in Bristol, and it was so hot. It was actually brutal. It was like 32 degrees or something silly, which, you know, with full bike gear on is a bit of a joke. Should definitely have overtaken him though. Big regrets. There you go, tighten my chain up because I put a new a new sprocket and chain on my bike. I got some Renthal sprockets front and back, same teeth as the standard, so I've not changed anything in terms of gearing. But I just decided to go for the nice Renthals in gold as well, which is a little bit flashier. I got a really nice DID X-ring heavy duty chain, which I was hoping will last me a lot longer. But obviously I put it on and I've done like 400 miles on it or so, or more. So I think I need to go and tension it a little bit better, just because it's stretched a little bit since new, which is fair enough. It happens. Where's that plate from? That GS looks like it's from Italy, I'd like to say, but I'm not 2000%. I mean, it's got a white plate, so it's going to be somewhere European, but I'm going to guess Italy. He's got his feet up on his frame, bloody, what's it called? Engine guards. It's funny. Big old boy. Imagine driving one of those down the street. Couldn't imagine it. They're just so chunky. They take up more than a lane. It must be terrifying. And what happens if you meet something like this and there's no pulling? Like, you're fucked. I'm going to try and do some exhaust mods today, because I bought a little end can that I'm going to try and put on and replace my other exhaust. Just because I want a little bit of throat, and instead of, I don't want it to scream like really loud, so I bought a baffle for it, but it's I just want a little bit of sound there, you know, a couple of pops, a couple of bangs every now and then, you know, all fun things bikes should have. Sounds good. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to classify this as an episode of Daily Rider. I'm going to try and do some more throughout the week and get them up as soon as possible. I hope you guys are having a good one. Don't forget to ride safe, and drop a comment down below if you want to chat to me about anything. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe like usual, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.